Hi all, welcome to AI Adobe YouTube channel, and for today's AI day number 103, I will try to go with again for second session of uh, Weavy AI. So let's try to check their last tutorial 4, and then we will go to do some hands-on.
In this tutorial, we're going to examine how to generate variations of our logo using a description. But the interesting part would be to wrap this entire workflow in a design app, which will generate a simplified UI for using this flow. So let's take a look. We're starting out with breaking down the prompt into style, colors, and element. For style, I've written feature film. For colors, lime, gray, black, and white. And the elements are lake, water, and wood. All of
I'm not sure like why they are trying to create different boxes for each style, color, and element, but it seems makes sense then for later you can update as per requirement for if there is a changes required.
of these get concatenated together, and then we connect it to a prompt enhancer. The prompt for the enhancer is you are an expert prompt engineer specializing in crafting prompts, etc.
So here is the actual role play this AI is working. So you give a role or task that you are supposed to do that, and that AI will work on.
And it's generating a prompt using the information that we chosen before. Besides that, we're using the logo file for our logo and plugging it into two models, Flux Depth Pro and Flux Skinny Pro, which uses different control nets in order to generate our desired image. This one is the depth control net, which generates a depth image of the
So here you can see that those are
logo, and then using
24 variations we received. So I think depend on subscription you will get output options.
it to generate the image, and
Here
the
is
Flux Skinny
also 22 options are received. So based on that you can select.
Pro generates the edges image of our logo and then uses it to generate this image. To automatically produce the design app, which is the simplified UI, we would need to add output nodes.
We need to right click and select the nodes or next box.
One for the Flux Depth Pro and one for the Flux Skinny Pro. When adding the output node, it automatically adds this toggle up here, and we can switch to the app view. So this is the entire workflow, and when switching to the app mode, we get this simplified UI.
Okay, so they have different studio options. So one for canvas and one for app.
We have the file input for the logo, we have the colors and the elements, and we can run all of them.
But I like this canvas option because it shows the systematic flow and it's easy to understand where uh, we have like different stages of those workflow, and we can I think from that we can identify the mistakes, or we can it is easy to update if there is any changes required.
Let's select 5 different results, 5 from each of the models, and run. Okay, we got 10.
Okay, so those options are not random. We can select this from app option, that number of result, how many number of result we wanted.
Different results, and this can be used by anyone. I mean, you can publish your design app and share it with anyone you like. When sharing your design app, users will be able to use this simplified UI, and they can also examine your canvas.
Okay.
So
So it's kind of like when you share the whole uh, like environment with it, and you the like team member or third party, they are able to get to know that what is the thought process behind, and they can examine canvas or app section as well.
So, in order to hide different parameters from the design app, you should go to the canvas and lock the specific things you want to hide. So, let's say, for example, I want to hide the input
Okay.
for my logo. I'm locking this. Let's also say that I want to hide the colors. So I'm locking this one also. Then in the design app, they will not show up. We only have element and style.
These features I like it because it will like protect privacy. So if you want to like keep uh, things which are not supposed to edit by other user, end user or third party, then that particular stages or particular things get locked or hidden, so they don't change, and they have no option to just to go through, which are only available to edit or view.
So these will be the only ones available for my user. Let's check out another example of using the design app. In this example, I'm using the design app to generate three different angles of the same model, wearing the same clothes and having the same background. Let's see how it's done. We start by breaking down the prompt into different categories like gender, age, ethnicity, body type, clothing, and style. All of these gets concatenated in a concatenator with a prompt suited for an LLM that asks the LLM to create detailed image prompt, suitable for our end goal. Then we concatenate this LLM and setting some parameters fixed, like a light gray background, realistic photograph, and three views in vertical grid. So these
So with this particular different prompts, I can say that it's like prompts are very important thing for this tool, because prompt will ultimately show the what you desire and what you want as output, and also like which particular tool you need to use, that is also required. So before starts, I would suggest that go through training of different AI tools available, how they function, what's their specialty. Also go for, like, if you have domain knowledge, then it will be additional advantage.
will remain intact, untouched by the user, but the prompt will be manipulated each time we run the machine. The concatenator is generating a prompt. We use FluxDev to generate three different angles in one go, cropping the different angles into different images, using Topaz Upscale to upscale, and using FluxDev to generate some more detail. After that, we've added the output node to all three different angles, which automatically generated an app view for this workflow. So now our user could change just, let's say, the gender and get three different angles of the same background, same clothes, but different gender. We can
Yes, just I earlier thought that with this app availability to end users, they can. It's like Canvas is like they have uh, skeleton or a structure they available, or we can say template, and with this
and again publish
with this template with this template, they can edit as per requirement, or they can just from this template they can their standard work, or as per project requirement they can update.
that and share it with our colleagues, our clients, or our users. That's the way to use.
So I think these canvas are not available to end users, only app you can share, but I think canvas are also able to share, but as I think as per standard practice, app you need to share only app. So things which are not like uh, supposed to visible, those won't be visible.
the design app, please hit me up on Discord if you have any more questions about that or in general. Thanks for going through this tutorial. See you.
Thank you. So let's try to check about with this limited domain knowledge. I will try to check. And so we have this one. Library tutorials. Their tutorials are already available. So for different functionality. Okay. Create new file. So here we are. For now, and title test. So we already have 150 credits available. We can share, search. What is search? So here we can see different for quick access, then toolbox. It's like having Photoshop, real similar kind of Photoshop tools. We can see here prompts, text tools, helpers, data types, numbers. Okay, so it seems complete package. Image models as well, video, generate vector graphics. Okay, edit images, generate from image. Okay, so for different if you are starting as a beginner, so this particular section will help you, like uh, if you want to generate things from image, then these particular tools are useful. If you are starting with, like if you want to just edit images, then these tools are also available. And when you hover cursor over there, so the quick info is available as well, with highlighted, like from image text to from image text to image commercial use. Okay, so what is that particular tool or model is uh, uh, like uh, good for? So those in that information is available. From image to image commercial use. Okay, so these are commercial use. So, and for that particular model or tool use, how much credits will be uh, used, that is also available. Like for this one, 24 credits available. Luma Photon 2 credits available. Then ideogram version 2 5 credits available. Is there any Vivo 3? So for this helpers or this text tools, editing tools, I think for that no credits will be used. Enhance images. Vivo 3 also available, but for that 600 credits required, which are not available as of now, because I think we have only 150 credits, and for Vivo 3 600 credits required. So it's like quite a thing. So generate from text or image. Okay, so these are like high end tools. Klingodi video 120 credits. VO2 480 credits. VO2 is still I can't use. Max. Okay. Then generate from video, from you can use video as well for input. Enhance videos, 3D models. My models and community model. My models, how to import model. Okay. Community models. I think these are templates shared by community or from uh, Weavy AI team. Let's check one. For that also credits required. Okay. How to remove this one? Delete. Okay. After this, quick. Here is the search. Here is the quick access for each and everything. Okay. So while I was going through quick access, I have seen all these parameters, because for all these sections, like these are like image and model, these are for toolbox, then these are for like video models, image models, and here we have 3D models and models and community as well. So here I think it's assets, it's kind of like a library. So here you can ask question, and there are people. Okay. Active 10 hour ago. You can send message to directly. I think it's just a chat box, not real person, but uh, let's check. Then you can directly reach out to their Discord team as well. 69 online, 697. Okay. So here's the actual plan. Free for like free tire is available 150 monthly credits, 375 for images particularly, and 25 seconds video. You can create out of this 150 credits. Access to all AI models, but for as we have seen, few AI models are not you can use with this 150 credits. Professional grade editing tool workflow, creating 5 workflows. You can create 5 workflows with it. No workflow history. Okay, so history won't be available. And with the starter, pro, and team version. Okay, for creators producing content occasionally, media daily, and it's like enterprise team. Okay. You can do undo thing, you can use hand to go through, or you can select thing. Okay. So I will use only this model. Copy image, I have pasted. You can replace. Okay. Okay, let's try to use this only. and it is automatically identified as image. Prompt. Okay. Already that available. Prompt. I'm not sure what to do. Uh, how about make it box? For okay, you can name it as well. So those style color these are renamed. So I can name it as action walk. Then okay, so you can choose both at simultaneously. Then form can concatenator I required for no use. Prompt enhancer. Your that is also not more detail to credit. Okay, it's a serene outdoor setting with a wooden fence enhancing garden pathways. Two credits use. Okay, so that is done. Describe an image. So there is a wooden bench. It seems wooden bench walk. Now I want to use prompt can container. This one, this one. Now I want to move. So I can just zoom in. Okay, I can zoom out from here as well. It's easy to do that. Then in prompt concatenator, I can add new prompt as well. Prompt garden with lake beach. Beach. Okay. Serene outdoor setting with wooden fence. Where is the walk? Okay. Now both are concurrent. Object is okay. So it's already covered that surrounding. I can uh, both like image should act like prompt provided. Now we should go for 8 credits. So background is opaque or transparent. Opaque PNG. You can select output format, number of images. So since it takes around like 8 credit, I think we should remember like it will for each one image it will take uh, 8 credits. So image quality also we can select. I will keep as medium. Then size, that format also you can select. Okay. Then whenever you provide and some models, you need to select run models, or there are more details available. You can select from this one, or when you click on this, it auto populate. So I'm not sure how it work. Need more try and error running. I think I have done mistake here somehow. It may not work, but since it's image only, it will starts with some part type. I will change that part. Yes. From this image created, now I want to add one more prompt. Okay, so this particular how can I remove this? Okay, I have removed that part. Now I'm adding action here. Now I want to create uh, edit image flux contest 10 credits. I will add the part action later. I want to edit image prompt that. Let's try to use this size with this one. You can update. Okay, not let's try to use this one. First I will remove this one. Image painter. You can add you can paint this with like this stroke as well. No use. Okay, this is pixelated format. X RGB, then HSL. This type of output are provided. I don't want it now. What should I do? Is done now. Now what's get video model. I will use clean 120. Wait, okay, it's less costly, so I will start with this. And uh, 5 options are available, not required actually. 9 euro. I will use this one. Okay, it's only accept prompts only, not Luma Ray text 108. Okay, finally selected this one. Prompt starting image. Okay, I'm not sure about this. What is this result? End frame, start frame, end frame. But I can just click on this and this will remove. More depth. We have 5 options. So I will run model. Run selected. I hope it will work somehow. Now only 32 credits are available. If you are using free, then we take cautions that you use your credit very carefully. Otherwise, you need to wait for next one. But overall, this tools looks amazing. You can do more R&D. It will take some time. Generate 5 seconds and 9 seconds 720 per frame videos. 108 credits are already used for Luma Ray 2. Okay. Luma Ray. Is there Dream Machine available? Luma Ray 2 available, Photon and Luma references reframe. So those models only available, not Dream Machine. So now we have to wait. Okay. This is the overall flow I tried to generate. Okay, finally we need to zoom in and let's try to play. Okay, so I wanted actually this particular bench to walk to artificially there, but here I have provided wrong prompt walking toward the gate, so this particular video get generated. Okay, 5 seconds and 9 seconds videos. I can't rerun now because I have only 32 credits. So overall, to start with this, but I missed this one, how this printer should be used. So that part is not included in output, and I misuse this prompt. Because of that, it just only selected walking man walking towards gate, but overall experience is good for start. So it was fun, and we'll try to use this next time as well if possible. And I can share this with email ID, or only I can invite people who can use. I can share link as well, and that function publish option is not available here. This is test. Okay, so I think that is also, so not sure where it is. Workflow. My asset is not actually project library, but it's all inputs I have created, and output created. So that is the available. Okay. So that's it today for AI Day number 103. With I tried to do hands-on for Weavy AI, and it was good experience. With more credits, you can use better desired tools, and you can have more time. You can use more features, but those are only for those free credits. 150 are only for available for beginner. So it's good for to start with, and if required you can go for subscription level. So that's it today for AI ad hoc YouTube channels, artistic intelligence Wavy AI part 2. Let's meet next time with another interesting topic. Thank you.